How to see who liked a comment on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can see who liked a comment on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you're on your home page, you have to navigate to that specific post on Instagram from where you would like to see who liked a specific comment on Instagram. So here is the post. Now after that, you have to navigate to the comment section. For that, tap on the comment icon next to that post. Now from here again, you have to select a comment where you would like to view all the likes. For example, I have this comment right here, and now next to that there are all the likes with a heart icon. Now you have to tap and hold on it. After you do that, you can see all the people who have liked that comment. So that's the way to see who liked a comment on Instagram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.